cameras. That's a good thing. Interior of the bus is good. These will work outside and inside. All these are going to get sealed. That's not staying on. Single condition. You can tell she's been stubborn and not moving currently. Alright. Start up. But you got the keys in there. She's just being stubborn and not moving. Which doesn't help my situation for moving her. She's being very stubborn as of this moment. Extremely stubborn. Rushing off from home. We've got to move in Angela. See how they're done. I'll do. Yeah, that's pretty good. Otherwise I get used to steering, but you know. Yep, she's off. Just put some soon going to Town District to see her updates, and you can tell she does need some work. Example, that disc earlier you're replacing, which we're going to use. I think it's something. See, she just needs cleaning, which is not too bad. And she's a 19-year-old. She's younger than me. But saying that, she's in very good nick. Apart from this issue with it rotting. But I'm going to replace that anyway, so. The lights work up until these two. So when they get replaced, she will need sticking down eventually. Not a big task. She's drivable, she drives. So that gives me easier for driving change plates. Eventually I've actually got auto recovery. LPM on that one. 29th of June. Destination boards are in. No issues with her. Also lights and nothing to work. Oh well. This is the newer seat. So it saves me buying LED ones. Look, all paper. I've got cameras inside and you get some outside. And then she'll be ready. And then I need to get MLT. Go to fingers. Oh, okay, screw for that as well. There's me. Hey. Well, she's in really good condition. If you like, comment and subscribe for more. I keep up to date on videos. And I eventually need an electrician to get camera sorted out completely.